I'm going to share some latest research on China case, and some colleagues yesterday asked why. And here we focus on China not only because the population size and also because of the most faster demographic change, and we reached the population stage since in 2022. And we also see the fertility reached to 1.0 last year, so it means we need to understand why, what's the reasons behind the faster fertility decline. And now we mainly based on the census data and the birth registration data of China, so we can see how faster the annual births decline and how faster the TFR decline. And I will not go to the numbers, you can see it clearly. And we also see the childless rate increased across the regions and across all the age group here. We have some outliers always be, is this here? Sorry. And like Shanghai and Beijing always be the highest childless rate. It's like Hong Kong case. We also see the composition for the women in childbearing age change. We can see for the younger age group under 24, 6 of them, more than 60 of them remain single, and for the age 29, it's over than 20%. It means this kind of population, they are not actively participate in the childbearing process. And we also look at the high proportion of a woman with education level. It increased from 10 years ago and 6% to 31% for the national level, and all the regions, they have witnessed the strong increase for the women's education improvement. So it means as they have get longer years of education, and they will spend more time for the delay. And the results, we compute the conventional fertility indicators. First figure show you when we include all the women, whether they are married or single. We also compute the indicator for the woman get married. Sorry for the technical issue. So we can see how it differs from each other, left side and the right side. If we sum it up, we can see the difference here, and the difference between the two could be more than 0.3 children every year. And we also look at the childless level. Even it's much lower than Europe country, but it's still witnessed an increase, whether it's non-marital childless rate or childless within marriage. And then come to the last figures. We can see, we can see the left side. First, let's take a look at 2010 for the age group of 44. In the end, the difference between the three indicators is very, very small. It means in the year 2010, for the woman, all the women, the children ever born, and also for the woman get married, and also for the woman, they already become the mother. The three indicators are the same. It means in the end, they share the same number of children. But when we go to the younger age group, let's see what's the difference bigger. Especially for the younger age group, the difference is much obvious. Okay, and if we look back 10 years after, we can see how the difference become larger, especially for the age 25 and age 29. And if we focus on age 24 in 10 years ago and then move the 10 years after, we can see the age 34 in 2020. The difference is still there. It means that the postponement and the young age group cannot fully catch up by the advanced age group after 10 years. So, if we sum up, it means the marriage delay and the childbearing postponement jointly contribute to the fertility decline not only for the period of fertility, also for the cohort of the indicators. So it means people, how to manage their marriage and motherhood could be different. And that's why the Chinese society changed from like a universal childbearing and a universal marriage society to much more diversified, which will in turn result in the future population dynamics of China. That's I want to share with you within limited time. If you have more questions, I'm ready to answer and listen. Thank you.
Excellent.